What's up my friends, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video we have a look at Bittorrent crypto. As you know, the Bittorrent is one of the best cryptocurrencies which are moving upward very fastly. So in this video I will show you the live price change occur in a Bittorrent, what's the current price and what's the previous last 1 day, last 7 day price prediction, price change occur in a Bittorrent. I will show you. If you are new on ABS Tech channel, so please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. So friends, as you can see now on the screen, that is live price prediction, live price change occur in the Bittorrent in the last 7 day. That's the price prediction of the previous last 7 day. As you can see here, the fast growing, the fast explosion of the Bittorrent are starts now. 72.68% change occur in a Bittorrent in the last 7 days, last 1 week. So friends, if we look the high price of Bittorrent, the high price is about $0.013385 is the high price of Bittorrent in the last 1 week. Absolutely, as you can see here, absolutely good chance, and price is also good. So friends, if we look the previous hour, previous 7 day price prediction chart, so they, as you can see here, 4th and 5th April they are take a high explosion, and this date 4th 5th April is the high explosion days of the Bittorrent cryptocurrency, as you can see here. And after a 6th April they again start fast downing, and to see 7th April, and after a 7th they again grows up. So friends, now let's see the last 1 day price prediction, what's the change goes in the last 1 day. As you can see here, the last 1 day price prediction has absolutely gone wrong now currently, but don't worry about the falling of Bittorrent, because they again start jumping upward after some time of falling down. As you can see here, negative 0.33% chance occur in the Bittorrent in the last 1 day. If we look the high price prediction chart analysis of the Bittorrent, so as you can see here, they take a jump in the previous half day, but after at this time currently and the previous last 2, 3, 4 hours they start falling down, friends. So that is why my suggestion for all of you. Now let's see the current last 1 hour price prediction, the current status of the Bittorrent. After that we decide that it's time to buy, sell or hold Bittorrent. As you can see here, the previous hours falls down, but as you can see here is surprise for you. Now they are again ready for a big jump. That is the last 1 hour, that is the current live price prediction of Bittorrent you are watching now, friends. So the average change occur in the last 1 hour is negative 0.66% chance, and the high price of Bittorrent is now currently in the market is about $0.009904 is the high price of Bittorrent now at this time in the market. So friends, my suggestion for all of you, as you can see here, the previous last 1 week change absolutely good chance occur, approximately 12+% chance occur in the last 1 week. That is why my suggestion for all of Bittorrent holder that please hold your Bittorrent coin with the last of this month, because the big explosion of the Bittorrent are coming soon after 10th April. So please wait for it, wait for the Bittorrent high explosion and make a good amount of profit with the Bittorrent. If you want to buy a Bittorrent, so absolutely it's the best time to buy a Bittorrent coin and make a good amount of profit. My plan for Bittorrent coin, I am also a holder of Bittorrent. That is why my plan for Bittorrent to I want to hold my Bittorrent coin with the last of this month, and soon I will make a good amount of profit with the Bittorrent. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share your opinion about a Bittorrent coin, what's the good time to buy, sell or hold in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.